The ratings are
3.7. Ooh, this is going to be a big one. No, that's okay. I'm going to have to get two different kinds of, two different water dipper containers. One for the red clay, the harvest clay, and then one for the white clay. So I have to use a yogurt container or something.
Use what?
A yogurt container or something.
Oh, did you hear me? I said I made my solution, that stuff work. That I should get it right now and see how it turned out.
Yes.
My pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your exhaust pipe? Yeah.
I made up
The turpentine worked.
Yeah, turpentine worked.
Fabulous.
So turpentine and it worked, and I painted, added some black paint with it too to get it some pigment to it, and mixed it up. I put it on your rock, cause you happen to be able to spin in there. I mixed it up out here first, but then I stuck it in there, let it spin while I was getting ready for a long time, and nicely mixed up here.
Awesome. Would you mind getting me a yogurt container with some water in it? Since you're back there. I like that. That's easy peasy.
Where are they?
They're in the bottom drawer over there. Yeah. Thank you, darling. So take it like this, and you take this, and you just slice off a piece like that. Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
You made me like a really good, and this is real good down in here. You made me a bitchin' tool there, baby.
Cool.
Yeah.
You think it's strong enough?
Yeah. Yeah. Totally.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
We
happy.
can go better when you two later.
Thank you.
Use a bike cable or something.
Oh, I don't think we need something that... Oh, you know what would be cool, though, is to maybe stretch out one of those springs. Oh, like one of those springs that come in my glucometer thing, you know, that I have to punch in my arm.
Yeah.
One of those springs, and stretch it out, and so it'll have like bumps, and maybe use it for like texture. Yeah. well, that was a bad idea. Said that was a bad idea.
What was?
Oh, I dipped my texture ball into the water.
Texture ball?
Texture ball. Yeah, one of those
thing?
decorative little thing. No, this one of these here, the wooden balls that were for decoration.
Yeah.
That I don't do anything with. They just sit in here and get dusty.
Okay.
Yeah, they work great for providing texture. I'm gonna have to incorporate that into actual pieces when I actually make a piece. That day is coming pretty soon.
Oh.
What am I doing? Okay. Well, you know what? I didn't think about the design for my test tiles, but maybe this will work. I think my blood sugar's dropping. So far, these have hardened up real good. You know, they're not totally bone dry, but look what's happened. And it just cracked on its own. I didn't like slam it down or anything. It's cracked. This has lasted okay, but I am concerned about the firing of them. So I'm not going to make any more cookies. I'm not going to make any more test tiles. I'm going to see how they last or make it through the bisque, and then we'll see. But I think now maybe I didn't do a good job of wiping down the edges. I'm thinking there's a problem with the clay and that it doesn't have the grog or whatever the other technical term is. I can't remember at the moment. So that's that. This is just paper that scrapes right off. I'll do a scrape and whatever. And then whatever's left will just burn off in the kiln. So I'm not worried about that. So on to making test tiles with the original clay. Not original clay. Come on now. And here is the results. These are bisqued, and that red clay gets everywhere, even in a bisque, I guess. These, oh yeah, these, my Pookie is still cracked, but that was, I think, by operator error. And my first test tile is held together. It held together okay enough. I think it'll be okay. And these did great. And oh yeah, I want to find out. Okay, so I had measured 1.5, which is here, and it hardly any shrinkage. An eighth. Oops. Wait a minute. An eighth of an inch. Is that what that is? No, a 16th. 1/16 of an inch. Like a millimeter. Not bad. That was the harvest clay. Oh, this stuff I didn't wind up, oops, I didn't wind up doing a little scrubby off. I just left it there, and it wound up kind of embedding in there. Weird.